Hello, lovelies. How are you today? I hope you enjoy my next tutorial. I am in a different setup. This is my temporary setup for the next couple of months. So as a result, I won't be able to do any tutorials with any physical products. So what I will be bringing to you are things that can be done on the computer. So I hope you enjoy the next tutorial. Bye-bye. Hello, lovelies. This week's tutorial will be done using Cricut Design Space. Let me start sharing my screen. So what we're going to do is we're going to be using the offset on text, and we're going to have a border around the word. So let me show you. Excuse me. So I clicked on the text on the text box on the left-hand side, and I'm going to type the word blessed. Okay. So I have my word here, and I'm going to change the font. And basically you can use any font that you want to use. I'm going to the system font, and I'm going to type freshman. And I believe I got this from thefont.com. So after you select it and highlight it, your word that you typed will change to that font, and you just X out of it. And you can, change the side if you want to or not. So I have the word blessed highlighted, and what I'm going to do is come up to the offset, and you have the choice of having your corners curved or sharp square. And I'm going to change the size to 10. Now press enter and apply. Okay. So I'm going to add another offset, and it defaults to the previous side that you already had it. So that's 10. So I'm going to apply that. All righty. So I'm going to move my word, my original word that I typed, because I need to activate the slice feature, and you can only slice 2 images. So I'm going to highlight the 2 offsets, and I'm going to slice it. Okay, so now I'm going to move the parts that I do not want. And that's it. That's my border around my word. And that's just a different play of how to use the offset feature if you don't want the entire word to have that offset background. If you want space in between your main word and the offset itself. Now, say for instance, you see those pieces in between the letters. Say if you don't want that, you want it to be completely open. So what you can do is take your offset border and highlight it, and come to the right lower hand corner and click on contour. All right, so we're going to take the word and click on each part you do not want. And when you click on it, you see that it's grayed out over here. Or you could have just clicked over on this panel right here. And we're not going to select hide all contours. We're going to come up here and X out, and that should take all those bits and pieces out so that you have a clean opening. And there you go. That's on that word. Okay, and we're going to get rid of that. Now let's take the same word, but let's change the font. Let me scroll down. Yes, let's use the script font. And that's Great Vibes. Okay. Make the word a little bigger. And we're going to click on offset. It's at 10. And then we're going to click offset again. All righty. And then we're going to remove the main word, right? Highlight both offsets and slice it. And remove the parts that we don't want. Okay, we got that there. Let's see how it looked with the bits and pieces in it. All righty, move that out the way. Highlight the offset border. Let's do a contour and remove those bits and pieces. Okay, we're going to leave these two right there. Put your main word back. And there you have it. You can change the color of your offset border. Do it like that. So again, a very quick and easy way to jazz up your text, your words, using the offset. So you do a double offset, move your main word out of the way, and then slice your two offsets. And I like mine close together. If you wanted the spacing to be at the default, which is 25, it's totally up to you. So that will conclude our tutorial for this week. I will stop sharing my screen and I will see you next week. Bye-bye.